everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Makeup. In this video, I'm gonna talk about a concealer from Catrice. This one is Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer. This is the one I'm gonna talk about in this video, and this one is amazing. This is my second bottle actually. I use it like in all my videos. If you watch my videos, you see me using this. Mixing it with the Maybelline Fit Me or use it alone. I love this concealer so much. First, it's like not pricey, it's really affordable, and second, it really high coverage. It really helps to cover any imperfection in my skin, underneath my eyes, really brighten this area. I use a color Light Natural, it's number 5, and I love it so much. It has a little bit of yellow tint in it, so it helps to lighten the under eye area and make it pop and cover any imperfection, any dark circles, any puffiness, any veins, everything. And sometimes I use it as eyeshadow primer as well. It's so amazing concealer, but the only bad thing about this one, it really dries really quickly. So to overcome this, I just apply it to like my right eye, underneath my right eye, and blend it really quickly, and then apply to my left eye and then blend it. I don't apply 2 eyes and then blend it. When I finish one eye, the second eye, like the concealer dries and it will be so hard to blend, so you need to work really fast with this concealer, otherwise it's perfect, it's amazing. And it stays on for a long time, and it doesn't crease that much. I didn't feel it really crease underneath my eyes like crazy, especially when I'm mixing with Maybelline Fit Me. It doesn't crease underneath my eyes, just the normal lines that we have after like a couple of hours of wearing. Nothing fancy or nothing like bad about it. So yeah, for this concealer, I love it so much, and I recommend it for you. If you want to try something new, you didn't try this concealer, you need to try it and you will be so happy with it. So this is for this video. I really hope you like it, and as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you have notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.